he moves is controlled based on an x and y axis. So for example, this would be x 100, this would be x 200, this would be x negative 100, and this would be x negative 200. Okay? So left to right, horizontal is x. The higher the number, the further right it is. The lower the number, the further left it is. Up and down is controlled by the y-axis. So this would be y100, y200, y negative 100, and y negative 200. And if you tell Scratchy to go to an x point and a y point, he will go to that. So for example, if you wanted him to go here, you would just write x100 and y100. So let's take a look at how we can do that. We want to go over here to the scripts area. And right now we're in motion, which is what we want him to do. So there's all these different commands here. But what we're going to do, we're just going to go down to this one, and it says go to x0 and y0. And we can control, if you change the x, so it's x100 and y100 like we had before, and you were to click on it, he will go up there. Now what Scratch does that is very nice is that if you move Scratchy to a certain area, they will change the x and y points so that you just have to drag it out. So if I wanted him to go up here, see, they automatically change it to x134 and y17. So I'm going to draw just a little square with Scratchy. So I'm going to have him go up here, and then I'm going to have him go down here, and this will change, and I'm going to drag this out right here, and then I'm going to bring him over here. I'm going to drag it out, and finally I'm going to bring him up here and drag this out. So now as I press each one of these, it will cause Scratchy to go to the spot where he was when I dragged it out. So if I go here, he will go right there, then down to there, then over to there, and finally up to here. And now you can see there's a kind of like puzzle pieces, and if you were to snap them together, they will all go in unison. However, if we press this right here, we don't see anything happen. And that's because this is all happening instantaneously. So what we need to do is we need to bring out this little thing called wait. So if we have a little wait, 1 second is too long, but if we have him wait 0.1 second in between each of these commands, we'll start to see how he moves. So we'll be able to see Scratchy move around like so. Perfect. And if you were to keep on pressing it, you can just see him go around forever and forever.